Welcome back to Sam and Jack Hack. I'm Sam.
I'm Jack. RAM software and development. Real tools, real workflows, questionable jokes.
Jack, quick question. What is the single scariest sentence a Windows PC can say to you?
Oh, easy. Quote, restarting to install updates, do not turn off your computer. I just tensed up saying it out loud.
Exactly. So today we are previewing a tool that takes that moment of panic and hands it back to you. The RAM SND Windows Update Advisor.
Coming soon. Launch date, May 1st, 2026. Mark your calendar. Maybe mark your updates too.
All right. The moment you launch it, you see this RAM SND logo top left. That tells you exactly what you're running and who made it.
Status light on the right. Idle. Working. Done. Error. 4 colors. Your PC is telling on itself in real time.
3 panes. Scan on the left, updates in the middle, details on the right, a tidy little assembly line for update paranoia.
Feature 1. Scan this PC. 1 click, and the full system profile drops right here.
OS, build, architecture, manufacturer, RAM, free disk, uptime, and whether a reboot is already pending.
Plus, the last 5 hotfixes you already have installed. So if something broke today, you look at that list and go, oh, this guy right here.
Why it matters. Before you touch a single update, you already know the full state of your own computer. That is not how Windows usually treats you.
Easy to use. 1 button, 1 screen. No command prompt, no registry digging.
Feature 2. Check for updates. This is the real party.
It hits the real Windows Update API. Every pending update lands here as a row. KB number, title, Microsoft severity, size in megabytes.
No driver sneaking in quietly. No feature upgrade disguised as a security patch. All of it on one screen with checkboxes.
It matches each update by its stable update ID, not just the KB number, so it cannot get confused and install the wrong thing.
Why it matters. You do not need to be a sysadmin to read it. 1 line per update. Plain labels. Easy to pick.
Feature 3. Plain English details. Pick any update. The right pane writes you a 1-paragraph brief.
Is this security? Is it a driver? Is it a Defender signature? What severity did Microsoft tag it? Does it need a reboot? Answered. In human words.
Microsoft's own description sits right above it. 2 sources, 1 screen, and 1 button opens the official KB article if you want the full write-up.
Why it matters. When your parents call asking, should I install this thing? The answer is already on the screen. You just read it out loud.
Feature 4, and this is the one I am hyped about. The antivirus picker, right here in the banner.
It auto-detects 11 known scanners. Defender, Bitdefender, ESET, Kaspersky, Sophos, Avast, AVG, Malwarebytes, Norton, McAfee, Trend Micro.
Running something custom? Hit Browse for Custom Scanner, pointed at your XE done. Your scanner is now a first-class option.
Why it matters. A Windows update is literally arbitrary code about to run with system privileges on your machine. Scanning it before install is basic hygiene.
Easy to use. 0 configuration. It finds your scanner. It uses your scanner. You just click.
The install flow itself has 2 confirmations. First one, hey, want to download and scan this thing? You say yes.
It downloads the payload through the Windows Update API, accepts the ULA, tucks it into the cache folder, runs your AV over it, before install, not after.
Second confirmation, proceed, yes or no. You see the AV exit code, clean or not, and the last 1,500 characters of the scanner log.
Why it matters. Consent-based updates. Nothing touches your system without you saying yes twice. That is not paranoid. That is respect.
Feature 5. Before every install, the advisor creates a system restore point, automatic. If something breaks, you roll back.
And if Windows is in one of its moods and throttles restore point creation, The advisor tells you immediately. Graceful fallback. No silent failure.
Why it matters. Worst case has an undo button. That changes how brave you feel clicking install.
Feature 6. The File Management System. A whole separate storage manager tab lives inside the same app. Click it, and every drive on your machine lands right here.
Letter, label, file system, used, free, total, percent used. Color-coded rows. One glance tells you which drive is actually hurting.
Pick any drive and hit Scan Selected Drive. The advisor walks the entire disk and bins every file into a category. Videos, installers, archives, images, audio, documents, code, other.
Each category gets a file count, a total size, and a size share bar. Sorted biggest first. So the answer to where did my 200 gigs go is right on the screen.
Double-click any category and it drills down. Top folders, top files, the actual stuff eating your disk. By path, by size.
Runs on a background thread. You can hit stop scan anytime. And if it gets canceled early, the advisor tells you it does not lie about partial results.
Why it matters. Half the time a Windows update fails because there is no room for it. You catch that here in one tab before you even start.
Easy to use. Select a drive, hit scan, read the bars. Done.
Feature 7. Self-elevation. Launch it without admin. It relaunches itself under UAC automatically.
No right-click run as administrator dance. No. Oh, wait, that failed. You double-click the icon. The app handles the rest.
And this is the part that matters for everyone. The whole thing runs local. No cloud, no telemetry, no dashboard on some server logging your machine.
Your system scan, your update list, your AV, your install, your storage scan. All on your box.
Your data. Your device. Your call.
Launch date, May 1st, 2026. Everything RAM software and development ships lives at rams.com. That is ramsnd.com.
And here is the spoiler for the next episode. The tool right after this one is a time tracker. Project time and day-to-day lifetime in one app.
Same ease of use, same local first philosophy, and a lot more is lined up behind it too. We have been busy, you will see.
If you just want to hang out, catch us on Twitch at Sam and Jack Live. Fun gameplay, zero sales pitch.
Like the video, comment the next RAM tool you want us to tear into, and follow the channel so you do not miss launch day.
I'm Jack.
I'm Sam.
See you May 1st.